Hi class, welcome to week 6. So I wanted to record a video to make sure that we're all on the same page and also to say hi. It's good to see you. Hope you guys have a really good Halloween this weekend and I hope you've had a good time in this class. We are over halfway through now, which is bonkers. We're like right at halfway. So yeah, good time to check on your grades and make sure that everything looks like you think it should. And let me know if I've made any mistakes, because I do make mistakes. All right, but let's look at this week. Let me go ahead and minimize myself. So this week we're talking about conflict, everybody's favorite topic. It's like everybody's least favorite topic, but it's probably one of the most important ones in this class because conflict is guaranteed in your life. And most of us don't really know how to navigate it very well. So let's look at this week. You've got some more terms to learn. You got some stuff to read about. The stuff that's due this week, you have a discussion about reframing. Reframing is the art of looking at what's going on from another perspective, right? Like you're reframing the situation. It's a very useful skill, highly important if you're going to ever try and survive conflict with humans because everything about us has to do with perspective, right? If you think about, if you can think about conflicts you've had in your life where you were wrong, it turned out, what if you had reframed that situation? What if you could have stopped and went, maybe from another perspective, I'm the person who's the asshole. It's like being on Reddit and saying, am I the asshole? The second one is your reflection on conflict and communication. For this one, I want you to think about a conflict you've had and or that you haven't had, that you've been waiting to have. We do that, right? And I want you to reflect on it and do some digging and some hard work, really, on it. That's what this class is all about, learning how to get along with other people and doing the hard work. So that's this week. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys on the discussion board, though. Looking ahead, we have next week, we're going to talk about verbal communication and emotions. Then we have nonverbals and listening. Then we have forgiveness, which is very important. Then there's this a week on interviewing. Like I want to get you guys a job. So we kind of wrap up with a lot about interpersonal communication is how to get along with people. So applying this to you getting a job when you get out of here. And then our week 11 is synthesis and evaluation. And just to mention here, the reason I'm telling you this ahead of time, for this, you're going to be using those communication journals, all the terms that you've been collecting all quarter. So make sure you're doing those. And if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, we're halfway through and, pretty crazy. I've had a great time with you guys and I hope that you have learned a lot. We have a lot more to go. So I'll see you guys on that discussion boards. And I seriously do hope you guys have a good weekend. Have a good Halloween. Go out there and do something. Have some fun.